Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Yancy here. I am giving you a Christmas clean and decorate with me today. I know this is supposed to be uploaded on Sunday, but I had a lot of editing to do when it came to this video. This is my first clean and decorate with me, so I do hope you guys enjoy. Put a lot of heart into it, but I'm going to kind of show you what I use on a regular basis when it comes to cleaning. I have a little helper here to kind of show you guys what I use, but I'm starting with the kids' room and then we're just going to continue on from there. Alright, so now I'm just plugging in their tree, making sure all the lights work because I've had this tree for a few years now. Got it from Walmart, and I just want to make sure everything's good to go before I continue on with the decorating of the bathroom. Alright, so this cute basket, you guys, I picked up from Home Goods. It's about $12.99 for this basket. They had bigger ones, but I like this one because it said Merry Christmas. This Ray Dunn collection is really cute, very festive, and I'm going to put their paper towels and face pads, Q-tips, and everything like that in there. Alright, you guys, so I wanted to show you quickly these products that I picked up from Grove Company. This is in no way, shape, or form sponsored, you guys. I really just love these products. I saw something, the Myers spray from Target. I really liked that particular spray. They didn't have any more on their website, so I saw it on Grove Company, and I just picked up a few more things. You guys need to really check it out because not only do they sell the Myers products, they have their own Grove Company products, and they give you really great deals with it. This particular deal came with a tray that you can actually put your products on, and I really love that. It's ceramic. It's beautiful, and you can put it on your sink. That way you can always have access to your sprays. But I really liked it. I really liked the way it looked. And that's why I went on this website and I really use these products.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming.
All right, you guys, so now that I got a lot of the cleaning out of the way, I have my trees that are all right here. I picked this particular tree up from Walmart. Really great deal. Got it last year. This is actually the family tree, but I'm going to change where I put this this year. It's a 7.5 foot tree, non-lit. This particular one I picked up from Wayfair. It is pre-lit. I normally put this in the dining room, but I'm going to change it. And this particular tree is actually the kids' tree and used to be the outside tree. So I'm changing the location of where I have everything, but I literally have all of the Christmas decorations out. The kids' tree is right here, the outside tree is right here, and all of these boxes are kind of like out and about. This particular one I got from Wayfair as well. So Wayfair had really great deals, had really good trees, and I like that. And you can't go wrong with the trees from Walmart. Really small trees that fit for the kids, and I liked that. So I thought that I got another one, or I thought that I get another one for the corner, but we'll discuss that. This particular tree is the family tree. That's what I was talking about. That was in the box. I am not going to put that in the living room anymore. I was going to put it in this little corner, but it didn't fit right because it was way too big. I separated all of these branches. This is an old school tree, so it does come with branches that you have to put in the tree itself. But I'm going to move them, put them in this section. That way I can get them out of the way because I am doing something different with this particular tree. So this area right here is actually where I wanted to put another tree. I purchased a tree from Walmart. However, this particular tree is too small. So I am going to get a different one from Wayfair. That way it can fit perfectly in this corner. It's going to be small. The diameter of this actual tree that I'm purchasing is going to fit perfectly in this section. So I can't wait till it comes. I already kind of have it. So you guys probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it. I've already decorated it. So if you're not following me there, you need to follow me. But either which way, you guys, this tree is shorter than I expected. So that's why I'm getting another tree from Wayfair because it's much taller. It fits this area. So it says this tree is 6 feet, but our ceiling heights are 9 feet. And it doesn't work for me. But these are all of our Christmas decorations. I kind of lay them all out. They're in boxes and bins. I know what I need to get. I know how I need to kind of like decorate everything. It's going to be a mess in the beginning, but I have areas of where I want to put everything. Family tree right there. And let's get started with the stairs tree. All right, you guys, so I finished fluffing the stairs tree. It is a pre-lit tree. I did purchase this from Wayfair as well, and I'm happy with it. It's a half tree, and if you guys have been following me and you saw my Christmas decorations from last year, you know that my husband made a half drum for me for this particular tree because the one I wanted to purchase was way expensive, but it's a 5.5 foot tree if I'm not mistaken. I have to look at the box, but I still need some more fluffing that I need to do on this particular tree, but I like the way it looks so far. I need to fill in the spaces, and I'm gonna kind of fill the bottom portion a little bit with some decor. That way any space that's there, you won't be able to see it. But yeah, that drum is going to go right there. I'm going to tuck it under the tree itself. I like this particular tree because it comes with like a little stepper. That way, if I want to, I can just turn the tree off in the morning, which I normally do to conserve electricity. But it's really nice. I really like the tree. I'm liking the way it's turning out. But like I said, I have to fill some spaces. And once I do that and it's coming along the way I want it to come along, then I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. But I am going to get another tree and put it right over here in this particular corner where that step stool is. And that way I have two trees and they're matching up against each other. And then I can fill that space because I've always wanted to do that last year, but I didn't get a chance to. But yeah. All right, you guys. So I am now getting to the family tree, the living room tree, and I'm putting on a movie that I adore, that I really, really love. It's not a Christmas movie, but it came on Netflix and I was excited. So this is what's keeping me occupied and entertained until I can fluff this tree completely out. But yeah, I'm going to start fluffing this tree, and here we go, because it's going to take me a minute, you guys.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who would it go? Ho, 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 who would it go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
All right, you guys, so this tree literally took me all day to fluff because I wanted to get it perfectly fluffed. But right now, my husband and I are sitting here just watching another movie together while I finish this. I'm going to put the top of the tree on, and then I'll be completely done. Okay, so I did not angle the camera to show me actually putting the top of the tree on, but you guys can kind of see a little bit of it. But I definitely will show you the end result of the finished fluffed tree. That way, hopefully you can see exactly what I did to this tree. All right, so now I'm just being a little bit OCD-ish and trying to fluff out some spaces or whatever, which really I'm going to cover that with a lot of decorations. But again, I'm happy with the outcome. I did pick up this tree from Wayfair, so yay. All right, you guys, so once again, this tree took me day and night to complete, to finish. It's a big tree. I really like it. I'm very happy with the result of this tree. I'm glad I took my time to fluff it because it looks very full. And I like the realistic look of it. It's not pre-lit, but that's okay because we always normally put our own lights on the family tree because the kids like it really bright and colorful, and just with a lot of decorations, mainly on the front of the tree itself. But that's our tree skirt at the bottom. We've had that tree skirt for so long. It doesn't go around it because it normally gets covered anyway as far as like the base, but it's a little Winnie the Pooh on that tree skirt, and we all adore it. But again, I'm really happy with it. This is a 9.5 foot tree, and we have 10 to 11 foot ceilings, depending on this space that you see in this alcove of the ceiling or whatever. So yeah, I'm happy with the tree. All right, you guys. So as you see, I'm working on another tree. This particular tree I actually purchased from Walmart. I think it was like a third party from Walmart itself, but I did purchase from Walmart. So it is a flocked tree. I like it. I just didn't like how it came. It's a little bit damaged during, delivery or what have you. But at the same time, I'm going to really do my best to fluff the tree and make sure I can fill in all the spaces. But I'm pretty happy with it, how it came. Again, it's not pre-lit, so I am going to put lights on that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and continue just fluffing. Hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. If you are not following me on Instagram, you guys, I would definitely suggest going over there because you would have seen a lot of my trees that I've already put up, that I've decorated, fluffed, some reels that are on there about the trees and everything like that. So definitely go ahead and follow me. I'll put the link below. That way you can just click and you'll be good to go. All right, you guys, I have enjoyed showing you my trees, everything that I'm doing so far. I did have a quick little helper help me. And when I say quick, I mean very quick. She fluffed a few branches and she was on her way, but I did appreciate her help. But you guys, again, if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And there's so many more videos to come and I will show you a lot more in a next video. All right, so talk to you later. Bye.